Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Friday, October 8, 2021. It is 2:06 and 5 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, Mars-like soils. So let's hop to it here. The clover growth in Mars-like soils, boosted by bacterial symbiosis, benefits of nitrogen-fixing bacteria, could aid efforts towards farming soils on Mars. Date September 29, 2021. Source, PLOS. The clover plants grown in Mars-like soils experience significantly more growth when inoculated with symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria than when left uninoculated, researchers report. And as Earth's population grows, researchers are studying the possibility of farming Martian soils, or regolith. However, regolith is lacking in some essential plant nutrients, including certain nitrogen-containing molecules that plants require to live. Therefore, agriculture on Mars will require strategies to increase the amount of these nitrogen compounds in regolith. Researchers hypothesize that bacteria can play a cost-effective role in making Martian soils more fertile. On Earth, bacteria in soils help convert or fix atmospheric nitrogen into the molecules that plants need. And some of these microbes have symbiotic relationships with plants in which they fix nitrogen within nodules found on plant roots. And to explore a possible role for symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria in astroagriculture, the researchers grew clover and man-made regolith that closely matches that of Mars. Researchers inoculated some of the plants with the microbe Cynorhizobium malati, which is commonly found in clover root nodules on Earth. And previous research has shown that clover can be grown in regolith, but had not explored inoculation with nitrogen fixers. The researchers found that the inoculated clover experienced 75% more root and shoot growth compared to the uninoculated clover. However, the regolith surrounding the inoculated plants showed no signs of elevated NH4, an essential nitrogen-containing molecule for plants, compared to the regolith surrounding uninoculated plants. And these findings suggest that the symbiotic microbes boosted clover growth, but did not result in excess production of nitrogen compounds that other plants growing nearby could hypothetically use. The researchers also grew some clover in potting soil and noticed certain differences in the symbiotic relationships when comparing the plants grown in regolith versus soil. And these findings suggest the possibility that symbiosis between plants and nitrogen-fixing bacteria could aid agriculture on Mars. The future research could continue to explore such relationships with other crops and address issues with plant toxicity in regolith. The study shows that nodule-forming bacteria, Cynorhizobium malati, has been shown to nodulate in Martian regolith, and significantly enhancing growth of Clover melanotus officinalis in a greenhouse assay. And this work increases our understanding of how plant and microbe interactions will help aid efforts to terraform regolith on Mars. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on space science, astrophysics, and computer science. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.